Good morning. I just want to make sure that we're all understanding our parent week at a glance. So this is where your scholars should be going to see all the live lessons. So on the very first page is the schedule. It does not tell you the activities. It's the schedule. Okay? Making sure that you are looking at the pictures. If you're a bobcat, a Belcher's bobcat, you always click the bobcat. If you are a Slack sloth, you're always clicking the sloth. If you're with Mr. Zapata, you're a Zapata zebra. And on the bilingual WAG, you always click the zebra to get to your live lessons. You click on it, it'll open it up. You click on the Zoom link. Okay, friends? Red ones are tutoring. Those are tutoring times. Okay, so that is this here. These are their numbers that you are looking for. So for math this week, it was scholar number 9, 11, 42, and 44. She's looking for you to show up for math tutoring today. I've gotten on tutoring times and nobody has shown up. Tutoring times are mandatory. You must show up to those. Office hours on Friday, and then right here it says office hours because it's the same time as specials. So that is when we have the opportunity to talk. Otherwise, we're working on activities for you, for our scholars. Also, we have aviator time in the afternoon. Please make sure you're getting to those. As you scroll further down, we see that it says Tuesday. This is where it gives you all of your instructions. Step by step, go to Clever, go to Google Classroom, click on September 8th, Tuesday, click on September 8th context clues, move the circle to your answer choice. Automatically submit through Nearpod. Or actually, that one's not through Nearpod. That was through the Google Slides. Mark is done, right? So got to go through and make sure that you're checking the actual assignments because it tells you what to do. Next week, we're going to be using a new application called Benchmark. It's our reading textbook. It tells you exactly step by step how to get onto Benchmark. Okay. We are very particular about it. I know when we were looking at Wednesday yesterday, Education Galaxy, some of you did not get on and do your science lesson in Education Galaxy yesterday because of the fact that you didn't look at the WAG. The WAG tells you step by step. Go to My Study Plan, not the quiz, My Study Plan. Miss Slack was very specific about what she wanted you to do on Education Galaxy. Some of you have already done context clues, which is today, Thursday, September 10th lesson on Education Galaxy. If you didn't get an 80 or above, do it again. Go to My Study Plan, practice, then do it again. Okay? Step by step, what's expected of you. iStation, every day, daily practice. Okay? On the schedule, it says reading daily practice. But if you scroll down to this time, you will see that it says iStation and then iSip with reading. We're always getting onto that. Okay, friends? If you notice, this says 9:15 to 9:45. Then we have tutoring at 9:15 to 9:45. If you're in a tutoring group, you do not have to do your iStation that day. Okay? If you're in a tutoring group and you show up for tutoring, you do not have to do your reading daily practice that day. It's one or the other. Okay? So if your number's not listed, then you don't need to show up for tutoring. You don't have tutoring that day. You do have to do iStation. As we continue to scroll down, we have Friday's schedule, recorded Friday assembly, and then we have reading. These are all tutoring groups, right? Office hours, lunch, recess, tutoring hours. So in case we have to double dip, right? And then you must do daily math practice. You must do, that's why it says must do, iStation. This helps us with attendance and know that you are present for attendance on Fridays, okay? Please reach out to Miss Belcher on Dojo or Miss Slack on Dojo if you are not understanding the parent WAG. Please make sure you are scrolling down to look at each of the assignments. Thank you.